guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I am going shopping for some Christmas sweaters. I want to get a Christmas sweater for myself as well as for my brothers because I really want to make them do the advent calendar with me. I want them to do it on camera. I also want us to build gingerbread houses, and that's another thing that I'm shopping for today. My cousin is tagging along because she really wants to decorate gingerbread houses. We're getting into the Christmas spirit in this vlog. Show you guys my outfit. I'm one of those people that wears clothes the same day, if not the next day that I buy them. I have this stuff that I thrifted on Black Friday. This jeans that I thrifted literally less than a week ago, and then my cute little ballerinas that I wear almost every single day. So that's my outfit. My mom is downstairs, so let's go join her.
Oh, I wish that it would never end. Christmas time on its way again. All the love.
This is the classic one. Oh no, it's the M&M. Elf on the Shelf. That's so cute. Trolls, Skittles, and M&Ms. I would prefer M&Ms, but I think I'm leaning towards the Elf on the Shelf.
Hello guys, vamos a hacer una house gingerbread.
I'm getting 2 of these for each of us, and then I think I'm getting this mini ones for my brother just because they don't actually want to participate. They're doing it for the sake of the video. So I think a mini one is the way to go with them. I live for all of these sorts of Christmassy packaging for cookies and baked goods and stuff. I got like 3 of these last year and they still have not been used, so I definitely need to make some Christmas cookies at some point. Those are so good, but I'm trying to stay clean from sugar. Let's see how much the small ones are, because if they're not cheap, my brothers are not doing it. Ah, bueno, they're like less than $10. So I'm gonna try some Christmas chocolates. This one is all caramel, all holiday flavors, and then this one is also all caramel. I don't know what's the difference between these two. I did say I was trying to save sugar, but we can make an exception for the vlog. It's the second floor to see the Christmas section. Alright guys, we just got our gingerbread houses. Now we're headed to the little thrift store. It's more of a thrift boutique. You guys will see it's a super small place. I've been there a handful of times because my aunt is friends with the owner. Not friends, but more like acquaintances. There are a couple of times I actually vlogged in there like 2 years ago for Vlogmas as well because I was looking for a Christmas sweater. I did get one, but at this point that sweater has passed on to my brother. But anyway, I don't have a Christmas sweater at the moment, so I really want to get a very Christmassy one. Will ask the owner if I can film in there if she's there, which she almost always is when I go. Hopefully it's not too overpriced. At the time it was a really good price. They were all between $8 to $12 for a sweater, which I think is really good, especially because she had so many cute and vintage ones. So yeah, I'm very excited. So I will try to show you guys when we get there. She even has an Instagram page, so I'm trying to see if she announced it. That's nope, she hasn't announced anything. Guys, we made it. So there's a mini market right beside, and then here's the thrift store.
Our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yes,
it's like a friend's sweater.
Keeping people pleased.
Mira este que extra. Yo quiero algo como esto, súper navideño.
Por favor, Leti.
Sí, pero es extra large.
Pero está bien para que esté cómodo.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la.
Guys, look how cute. Este está hermoso. Enséñalo. That one's super cute. Compra ese para ti. Para así lo podemos share. The perfect amount of chunky.
Carols that you love, we'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times.
It's like this vintage Disney denim top.
Here it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Look at this cute poncho. Super extra. I'm gonna take these ones. These are like $4. Predicted that these would be the best fitting one, and I think I might be ready. This fits so nice, even though I'm not really a fan of cats. Wait, actually, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if this is a cat or like a lion, possibly. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Okay, this one is so soft on the inside, but I love the chunkiness of the previous one. I didn't realize that this was a taco until I noticed, and I don't know if I love that. It's cute, like the rest of it I like, I just don't like the taco. I feel like I'm getting swallowed in this one. I don't like it as much. Guys, here we've got the goods. I will show you what I got at home, but here is a sneak peek update. We are heading to the thrift store, the one that we always go to, and in my defense, this was not my decision that I made. My mom and my grandma really want to go, but I wanted to do something a little bit more interactive in this Vlogmas series so that you guys can feel included, kind of like have a little conversation going on in the comments. I'm gonna do a question of the day for every single Vlogmas video from now on. Get to know each other on this channel, and my question of the day is, what are you guys doing for the holidays this year? Are you staying in your hometown? Are you going out of your hometown? Are you traveling out of the country to visit family or friends? Are you staying home and just having dinner with your family? Do you even celebrate?
I celebrate.
Comment that down below. I really want to know. I personally never travel for the holidays. We always stay here and spend Christmas with my mom's side of the family. I've never experienced a white Christmas. That is like my dream. Really want to have a white Christmas at some point in my life because I've never actually seen snow either. Theory that they waited until Black Friday was over so they could put out new stuff. And they have so many other jackets too. This one is by Philosophy, but it's in a size extra large.
Lovely Randall.
Oh my gosh.
Lovely Randall.
Oops. Adorable. They're so vintage looking.
A mí me gusta.
Mira eso.
Tan bonito.
Oh my god. Eso es couture. Eso te tiene que dar a ti.
A mí.
Son chiquitos. they brought out this new Keurig for iced coffee. By the way, I didn't get the one that I was gonna get on Black Friday just because we already have an espresso machine. This one is super nice because it's for iced coffee. More fluffy ones, and they're also coming out with new ones right now. This one for my mom. I'm not really looking for something for myself. I'm really just helping my cousin find things, but she's very complicated to shop for. Look how cute this one is by 9 West. I don't think she would like this color.
It's cold outside.
My grandma would definitely love this, but it is in a size extra large. It's so soft, so good material. That's so cute. I love the sleeves. It's in a size medium, but I'm the only one in my family that absolutely loves polka dots.
Sí.
¿De dónde?
De la que yo te pedí que me apretara.
¿Y esta? No la tiré.
¿Lo vi? No.
No. Guys, I found her the first piece that she likes. I meant to show you guys this the other day, and I believe I didn't. I think it was on Black Friday, but look how beautiful this dress is. I love it. I love it, and look at the back. The bow is my favorite part of it. Guys, I just found this blazer by none other than Theory. It's in a size 2. It's very, very, very much not fitting. Maybe it's for the best, because realistically, I don't think I would have any situation where I could wear this, but this is such a good find for someone that works a 9 to 5 by Theory. I don't know if you can see all of the details. Look how nice. It has no buttons, so it's like very modern. Hi guys, I'm back home and we're about to do the advent calendar. I think only one of my brothers is going to join me for it. Let's show you guys everything that I got today. My surprise, and maybe to your guys' surprise, for the first time in the amount of times that I've been to the thrift store in the last couple of months, I went to the thrift and I walked out unscathed. I did not get a single thing, but I still want to show you something that my mom got because it is such a good find, and we're gonna start with it, then we're gonna move on to the Christmas sweaters and such. She got this blazer. It's like a blazer coat more so because it's made in this what's this called? It's made in this wool material. It's philosophy, and it's in a size extra large, but I pushed her to get it just because that super oversized look is what's really cool about this coat blazer kind of thing. I don't know, I feel like this is such a 90s looking piece. It's so fashionable. Might steal this from her at some point if I ever find an opportunity to wear it. We can move on to what I got at that little thrift store boutique kind of thing. First of all, owner was so nice to let me film in there and show you guys all of the goodies. There were so many options. I just think that whenever you have that many options, it makes it harder to choose. But I think I made the right call, and the good thing is my mom wanted one. We could get an extra one and I can share it with her. Yes, I said I was gonna get for my brothers, but I just figured they could always borrow one of these for the video. But this was the first one. This is definitely a cat. I was trying to convince myself that it wasn't just because I really don't like cats. It's just the cutest sweater. It has the most perfect fit. It's just super chunky. Roses, the colors are perfect, and I feel like this is such a classy take on a Christmas sweater. It's not too Christmas on your face, which, don't get me wrong, I do usually love. Next one, I have to try it on because I don't know what it looks like. It's in a size large. It's 65% cotton, and it's by this brand called Classic Elements. This might just be a vintage brand, which, by the way, this one is a brand called Spunky, and they were also cheap too. This was like $9, and then this one I think was the same price. Yep, 500 pesos. So such a good deal for this. They are both the same vibe now that I'm noticing, and their same color scheme. Such a perfect cardigan that I am gonna be wearing for the next upcoming months, even after Christmas, because it's just so cute. And the last sweater was my mom's sweater, but it's actually both of ours. Like I said, we're gonna be sharing these probably, and it just says chill. It's super oversized. It's an extra large. It's by this brand called Holiday Time. So this is gonna be one of those that you can wear with some leggings, some slippers. Super cute and cozy. Look how many details. It's like super extra, but at the same time very tuned down because of the color, you know. It's just a navy and that's her favorite color. And the last thing that I got from there were these socks. What? I asked her if these were a kid size or an adult size, and she said that this was an adult size, so hopefully they will fit. But I got these fluffy, cozy socks, Christmas socks, which I love, and again it goes with the whole dark theme. So went, as you guys saw, to the grocery store and I got 2 gingerbread house kits for my cousin and I ended up not getting the small ones for my brother because these ones were quite expensive. And we have made it to the end of this vlog where I'm going to be doing day 3 of my advent calendar, and my brother, only one of them is gonna help me today. Other ones don't want to get ready for it. Yeah, it's a whole thing with them. They really do want to help out, but they also don't want to get ready. But my younger brother is actually going to help me, so I'm going to time-lapse through this. This is gonna be something that we will do every single Vlogmas. I think it's so fun to just unwind at the end of the day and do something fun like this. So let's begin. My little puppy, his name is Toby. All right guys, let's begin this time lapse. It's done for today. So here it is. We have days 1, 2, and 3, and we've got this part of the photo done. We're working our way to have Santa. Alright guys, that was it for my 3rd day of Vlogmas. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, definitely subscribe to my channel. Remember to comment down below the question that I asked you guys earlier in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon for my next one. Bye guys!